Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Jennifer, and look how cute this little card is. It is adorable. I just love it. I don't know what this is, like, she fussy cutted a lot of this, so I'm not quite sure what exactly it is, but it's so cute, like what it was part of. Like, I know what it is, but I don't know if it was like a collage piece or what, but it's really cute. I like it. Best witches. All right, so here is her spooky dooky box. I really like this. So I have some gauze like this, but I think it's glitter. I don't know. Where did you guys get this one? Or it almost looks like oil slick, kind of. I don't know. I don't know how to explain that, but I need that in my life. How does this box open? Oh, like this. Okay, so in here, oh, look at this. So we have a couple little banner embellishments. Well, like paperclip embellishments. I don't know why I say. I mean, they're kind of like banners, but very cute. Oh, I like the little bats. And then she's got stickers in here, and don't we all love these American Greeting stickers? They're so cute. They're so cute. I like how she altered this envelope, but I think this was actually stuck at the top here. But, you know, hot glue doesn't stick, like, it just kind of peels off of this type of top, but that's okay. But I love the bats. Look at how cute the little bats are. Anyway, let's get into our box and see what we have in here. We have a whole bunch of gumball beads. These are good size beads, all fun colors. And then in here we have some charms. This is a big box. I'm loving these little charms. I've got a nice little collection of them now. Some skulls. We have some skeletons. Oh, I should probably zoom you guys in so you can see a little bit better. And then we have a whole bunch of stickers in this one. Ooh, I like that one. That's like a little ephemera piece, and so is this. That's pretty. And then we have like some potion stickers. We have some silicone beads. And then we have these like iridescent type of beads. I have some of these. These are so gorgeous. I love them. And then some smaller ones too. And then we have, what do we have in here? Looks like some little table scatter sequin mix. So there's Halloween, there's spiders, there's jack-o'-lanterns, there's cats, there's skeletons, there's stars, there's ghosts. Just a little bit of everything in there. And then we have some ephemera pieces in here. Oh. Little chipboard pieces, some candy corns. I don't know what collection this is, but these are cute. Maybe Echo Park or Cartabella. And then we have some cute little felty pieces. Oh, look at the little cat. Some jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, and then we have some wooden buttons over here. All types, all types. So we have some Day of the Dead skulls in this one. We have a bat. We have some jack-o'-lantern guys with little witch hats. Look at this little moon. That's cute. Oh, and some spider web ones. This is doubled up, or are they stuck? Maybe it's just one piece. I'm not quite sure, but that's cute. Another little jack-o'-lantern. Then we have some trim in here. So we have the striped trim. We have spiderweb trim, and then this like orange and black trim. That's really cute. And then in here we have one of those big old spiders. Ooh, these pumpkins are cool. I like those pumpkins. Oh, this is cool too. I don't think I've seen this little witch hat. This is cool. I like that. Some little jack-o'-lanterns down here. We have some candy corn pieces and some bones. And then we have some die cuts over here. We have a couple little flowers that all have little googly eye centers. Look at those. Or they're centers to put into these flowers. So I think they're die cut flowers. These are the centers, the stamen. And then she's got flowers over here. I don't know if I've seen those type of ones. And you have this one. There's some pumpkins as well, some gold and orange pumpkins. But these will make some fun flowers. Excuse me. Hopefully I remember to edit that out. But thank you, Jennifer. She's made, this box was for me. She's got 2 other boxes. I assume that they're going to be very, very similar, if not the same. I think that slight color changes, but I think the contents are going to be very similar. So if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you give Jennifer some love down below, and we will see you guys in the next swap reveal. Bye.